Here we have a 1.03 carat Argyle. Hasn't got any Argyle papers from Argyle itself, but I am thoroughly confident that it is an Argyle diamond, and it's actually got a bit of a story to go with it as well, which will give it some special provenance. The stone would be graded as I1. It has a feather on one side towards the shorter of the 2 points. You may notice that it's not exactly symmetrical. The stone is a crackerjack vivid. It's tending more towards a red pink than a purple pink, but a very fine stone. There is also a small feather in the centre of the table. You can see by comparison to our master pink cubic zirconia that it's actually a very exceptional colour. So all in all, a great stone, but probably one that you'd have to be very careful both setting and wearing. I would strongly suggest that if you're going to wear it, that it has an insurance valuation. Can you come closer with the light, please? Up a little bit higher. Yeah. We'll just get it. Now there's very, very little bow tie going on in this stone. There are some dark zones, but I've got the camera pretty close to the stone, and you can see that the dark zones in the cubic zirconia are just as bad. If I was to pull away a little bit to about there, the dark zones are probably not quite so apparent. But it is a very deep coloured stone in any case. Fancy, vivid pink, 1.03 carat. It has a half cert, which means that it doesn't actually have a clarity grade on it, but if it did have a clarity grade, it would be an I1. It's actually eye clean. There is a very, very small little feather opening in the centre of the stone, but hard to see. Probably impossible to see. The other one you wouldn't see when it was set unless you looked at the side of the stone. It's actually under the girdle.